আসসালামু আলাইকুম প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীরা, কেমন আছো তোমরা? আশা করি অনেক অনেক ভালো আছো। নতুন আরো একটি ভিডিও নিয়ে তোমাদের সামনে উপস্থিত হয়েছি। আজ নিয়ে এসেছি ফার্স্ট কোয়ার্টারলি ইভ্যালুয়েশন 2025 ক্লাস 5 ইংলিশ শর্ট কম্পোজিশন অ্যান্ড লেটার, অর্থাৎ প্রথম প্রান্তিক মূল্যায়ন 2025-এর পঞ্চম শ্রেণীর শর্ট কম্পোজিশন এবং লেটার নিয়ে আজ আলোচনা করা হবে। ভিডিওটি ভালো লাগলে চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করার জন্য বিনীত অনুরোধ রইল, আর লাইক, কমেন্টস ও শেয়ার করতেও ভুলবে না। আমরা শর্ট কম্পোজিশনের লিস্টগুলো দেখে নেই। 1. ইয়োর ফ্যামিলি। 2. লেজার টাইম। 3. গুড ফুড অর হেলদি ফুড। 4. ইয়োরসেলফ। 5. এ ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ ক্লাব। তাহলে আমরা কম্পোজিশনগুলো একে একে শিখে নেই। আমি ধীরে ধীরে পড়ব, অথবা একটি বাক্য দুইবারও পড়তে পারি। তোমরা খুব মনোযোগ সহকারে উচ্চারণগুলো খেয়াল করবে এবং শেখার চেষ্টা করবে। ইয়োর ফ্যামিলি। মাই নেম ইজ রিফাত। There are 4 members in my family. My father's name is Aminul Islam and he is a teacher. My mother's name is Jahanara Begum and she is a housewife. My mother stays busy doing the household work all the time. My younger brother is 7 years old and his name is Sakib. My younger brother is very intelligent and good looking. We love each other so much. My parents help me in my studies. They also take care of us. I am so grateful to be born in this family. I love my family so much. To leisure time. Leisure is the time when a man is free from routine work. It is free from all duties and responsibilities. This time is available for hobbies and other recreational activities. Some village people pass this time by fishing, playing or gardening. I like to draw pictures in my leisure time. I do it because it is my favorite hobby. I also watch cartoons programs on TV and read real or funny storybooks in my leisure time. On holiday, I go to the playground to play with my friends in the afternoon. I think every man should have leisure time in their work. This is because leisure time keeps our body fit for the next work and refreshes our mind. Number 3. Good food or healthy food. Food is one of the basic needs of human being. It is essential for our survival. We cannot live without it. So we have always have good food. Good food means the right kind of food for good health. It is nutritious. It must contain natural substance that our body needs to grow properly and stay healthy. So we must not eat too much, though the food is good. Eating too much is bad for health. We should remember that we have to eat only a certain amount of food that our body needs. So we do not need the same kind of food in the same quantity. It depends on our growth and physical structure. Number 4, yourself. My name is Niloy Ahmed. I am a student of class 5 in Bandar Kalabagh Government Primary School. My father is an engineer. My mother is a housewife. She cooks delicious food. I love to stay with my family, especially with my sister. She is so intelligent and she helps me to do homework. I never miss my classes. English is my favorite subject. I want to become a doctor in future. It is my aim in life. Number 5, a language club. A language club is a place where people go to practice different languages. Actually, this club is for practicing foreign languages. We have a language club in our locality. We go there to practice our speaking English. We listen to CD, watch movies on DVD, or practice speaking English with friends. Sometimes some foreigners visit this club. We try to speak with them to practice our English. Language club helps us very much. It gives us an opportunity to practice our second language. Before going to the language club, I was very weak in English. But now I can speak English well with my teachers and friends. এখন লেটারগুলো আমরা দেখে নেই। Number 1, write a letter to your friend about your last train journey. Number 2, write a letter to your friend how to do you spend your leisure time. Number 3, write a letter to your friend informing him about physical condition. Number 4, write a letter to your brother advising him to do well in English. এখন আমরা একে একে লেটারগুলো শিখে নেব। Number 1, write a letter to your friend about your last train journey. এখানে বলে রাখা ভালো, যেদিন এই চিঠি লিখবে সেদিনের তারিখ লিখতে হবে। তোমাদের সম্ভাব্য পরীক্ষার ডেট 5 তারিখ মে মাসের, তাই এখানে সেই তারিখটি লেখা হয়েছে। অন্য কোনো তারিখে পরীক্ষা হলে সেই তারিখ লিখে দিবে। আর এখানে ঠিকানা লিখতে হবে বন্দর নারায়ণগঞ্জ, অর্থাৎ যে লিখতেছে তার ঠিকানা। অর্থাৎ এই যে ফারহান রহমান যে চিঠি লিখতেছে তার ঠিকানা এখানে লিখতে হবে। আর এদিকে একটি খাম দেওয়া আছে, সেখানে ফ্রম মানে যে লিখতেছে, আর টু মানে যার কাছে লিখতেছে। টু জিহাদ অর্থাৎ জিহাদের কাছে লিখতেছে, জিহাদের ঠিকানা ডেমরা ঢাকা, আর ফারহান রহমানের ঠিকানা বন্দর নারায়ণগঞ্জ। Dear Jihad, how are you? I am keeping well. In your letter, you wanted to know about the train journey I have made. Now I am giving you a short description about it. A journey by train is enjoyable to me. A few days ago, I made a journey by train from Dhaka to Sylhet. The name of my train is Mahanagar Godhuli. It leaves Dhaka at 7 a.m. and reaches Sylhet at 12:30 p.m. Fortunately, I got my seat beside the window. At first, the train moved on slowly, but after a few moments, it was running in full speed. I kept looking outside through the window. The train was passing through the green fields, trees and houses. I saw the farmers working in the field. Cattle were grazing here and there. I enjoyed the scenes with cheerful mind. Really, the journey was the most pleasant in my life. No more today, more when we shall meet. Love to you and all of your family. Your loving friend, ফারহান রহমান। এখানে খামটি দিয়ে ঠিকানাগুলো দিয়ে দিবে। Number 2, write a letter to your friend. How do you spend your leisure time? Dear Yasin, how are you? I am keeping well. In your letter, you wanted to know about my leisure time. Now I am writing to you about my leisure time. I spend my leisure time in various ways. Usually, I spend my leisure time playing football, watching English movies, cartoons, and reading English storybooks. Sometimes I go to cycling with my friends. Write to me soon about your leisure time. No more today, more when we shall meet. Love to you and all of your family. Your loving friend, Azim. From Azim, Lalpur, Nator to Yasin, Bera, Pabna. Number 3, write a letter to your friend informing him about physical condition. Dear Tamal, how are you? I hope you are well. I received your letter 2 days ago, but I could not answer in time because of my illness. On last Saturday, I went to school as usual. When I was returning home, it started rain. As I was in the way, there was no place to take shelter. As a result, I got drenched. Soon after reaching home, I started coughing. I caught acute cold fever by night. Since then, I have been suffering from fever. Father took me to a doctor, but the doctor said that it would take at least 5 days to get cured. So I am in bed now. No more today. Take care of you and don't move while it's raining. Please pay a visit to our house if possible. Waiting for your reply. Your loving friend, Bulbul. From Bulbul, Titash Kumilla to Tamal, Sonagazi, Feni. Number 4, write a letter to your brother advising him to do well in English. My dear Nihad, I hope you are fine. I am good too. I have come to know that you are very weak in English. So I want to make some suggestions to you to improve your English. You know that English is an international language. Nobody can succeed in life without knowing English well. To improve in English, you need to learn more words, their meaning and uses, the basic rules of grammar and sentence patterns. In this regard, you may read different kinds of English books and newspapers. You may hear English news. You may also speak English in your everyday life. I believe that by following all these things, you can improve in English. No more today, convey my deepest regard to parents and love to the youngers. Your brother, Kamrul Hassan. From Kamrul Hassan, Dhaka University, Dhaka to Nihad, Kapashia, Gazipur. তো এই ছিল আমাদের প্রথম সাময়িক পরীক্ষার ইংরেজি শর্ট কম্পোজিশন অ্যান্ড লেটারগুলো। তোমরা এগুলো ভালোভাবে প্র্যাকটিস করবে। আশা করি এই কটি লেটার এবং কম্পোজিশন প্র্যাকটিস করলে তোমরা ভালো ফলাফল অর্জন করতে সক্ষম হবে। ভিডিওটি ভালো লাগলে চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করার জন্য বিনীত অনুরোধ রইল, আর লাইক, কমেন্টস ও শেয়ার করতেও ভুলবে না। আজ তাহলে এ পর্যন্তই, কথা হবে নতুন কোনো ভিডিওতে। সে পর্যন্ত সবাই ভালো থাকো, সুস্থ থাকো। আল্লাহ হাফেজ।